Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In this quick and informative video, we'll show you how to adjust the audio quality settings for your voice memos on your iPhone, specifically for those running the latest iOS 18 update. This allows you to choose between smaller file sizes or potentially higher audio fidelity, depending on your needs. Let's get started. First, locate and tap on the Settings app on your iPhone's home screen. Once you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find Apps. Tap on it. Now, within the apps list, find Voice Memos. The apps are usually listed alphabetically, so scroll until you see it, and then tap on Voice Memos. You are now in the Voice Memo settings. Here you'll see an option labeled Audio Quality. Tap on Audio Quality. Finally, you'll be presented with two choices, compressed and lossless. Choosing compressed quality will reduce the file size of your voice memos by discarding some audio data. This is ideal if you need to save storage space and don't require the absolute highest audio fidelity. On the other hand, selecting lossless quality retains all of the original audio information. This results in larger file sizes but can offer potentially higher audio fidelity. This option is best if audio quality is your top priority. Simply choose the audio quality that best suits your hearing needs and your preferences for file size. Once you've made your selection, the setting will be automatically applied to all future voice memos you record. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully adjusted the audio quality settings for your voice memos on your iPhone running iOS 18 and later versions. We hope this quick tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to help our channel grow. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.